Can AI be tanking your next deal? Well, the answer is a resounding yes, it can. And I'm going to explain a few things to you about AI overall. Now, I'm working on a major project in AI. I'm getting down to the nitty-gritty of code. I have over 60,000 lines of code committed to a project that I'm working on right now that will be a consumer and agent-facing product that is really phenomenal. Now, here's where the frustration comes in. AI is constantly getting things wrong. I show the AI a bug in the software that I'm building with it, and it comes back with a fix that either fixes that and breaks something else, or it just didn't listen properly, or it's interpreting on its own. And now I've actually talked to the AI and said, we need to do checks beforehand. And it says, yes, you're absolutely right. And then it checks something, and then it deploys a new set of lines of code, and it all works great. And then the next little thing that I say, hey, we need to fix this, it says, oh, I could isolate exactly what the issue is. Here it is. Let's fix this. And I say, did you check the code base first to make sure that that is the absolute right fix? And it says, oh, no, sorry, I skipped that step. And then it does it, and it says, oh, I'm so glad you asked me to check the code base because I would have done this completely wrong. This is the actual right fix. So AI gets things wrong often. Now, is AI going to be here to stay? Absolutely. Is it something you should definitely adopt and adapt to? Absolutely. The agents that really understand how it impacts their business and how to utilize it properly are going to be the agents that are going to win, survive, and thrive. Now, how can it tank a deal? Well, clients, buyers, and sellers are going to the AI and asking it what they believe a good deal is. They're taking the PDF of the offer that you send them and saying, dissect this offer. And it's looking at it almost from kind of both a legal as well as a practical standpoint, comparing with others, but it doesn't have all of the right data. It might be a neighbor's house down the street that it's comping with and saying, you are underselling yourself, but it didn't look inside the house. It didn't realize that that house had $100,000 in upgrades that your client's house doesn't have. It's very important now that in your buyer consultation and in your listing presentation that you bring up AI and talk about how great it is, what the strengths are, but also reveal some of the areas where your expertise is still far beyond that of AI. And say to them, would you want AI diagnosing a major medical condition for you? And when they say, I don't know, like WebMD is pretty cool, this and that. Well, what if it made a mistake because it didn't know your medical history? What if you didn't upload all of the details and every element of it? Would that concern you? I love AI. I do. And I use it constantly.